Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today I was requested to find a quick, short VG compensation plan. A little caveat though, this video was created last year before the expansion of the comp plan from levels 8 through 12. So for more information on those levels, please get back to your upline. No further ado, please enjoy.
All right, everyone, welcome. Today, we're going to dive deep into the BG Wealth Sharing Compensation Plan. Think of this as your roadmap to success, okay? We're going to lay it all out so you know exactly how this thing works, from day one all the way to the top. So that's the big question, right? How do you actually get from a pretty modest $500 deposit all the way up to a $30,000 monthly salary? It sounds like a huge leap, but there's a step-by-step journey laid out. So let's get into it, starting with the rewards you can earn from the very beginning. Okay, so here's how we're going to break it down. First, we'll look at your immediate wins. Then, how you can earn through teamwork. We'll get into the manager rank rewards, and then the big one, the salary and perks. And finally, we'll map out your path to the top. Let's get started. All right, Section 1, your immediate wins. This is all about how you can start earning right out of the gate, in your first 24 hours. It's designed to get you some quick momentum. Okay, the very first way you earn is with a 5% bonus on your initial deposit. It's that simple. So if you start with $500, boom, you instantly have $525. This applies to any first deposit up to $10,000. It's just a nice little boost to get your capital working for you right away. Now this is where it gets interesting. Your first referral bonus. If you bring in someone who deposits less than $1,000, you get a 5% bonus. But if they deposit $1,000 or more, that bonus doubles to 10%. So you can see the system really rewards you for bringing in partners who are serious about getting started. And here's the core engine of your daily growth, the daily trade signals. Every single member gets 2 trades a day, and you're earning between 1 and 1.3% on your investment with each one. And the best part, this compounds daily. This is what consistently builds your account, day in and day out. Okay, moving on to Section 2, earning through teamwork. Look, those daily trades are great for growing your own account, but if you really want to amplify your income, building your network is where it's at. This is where your earning potential truly starts to accelerate. So check this out. This system has these dynamic bonus trades that really reward you for activity. Refer someone who deposits over $1,000, you get 12 bonus trades. Bring in a second person in that same month, and it jumps to 16 bonus trades. And for every person after that in the same month, you keep getting 16 more. It's all about building momentum within a single month. Now, this is a huge milestone to aim for, the senior manager goal. Here's how it works. You personally recruit 5 members, and then you help each of them recruit 5 members. If you can do that, you unlock a permanent third daily trade signal. That's a massive deal. It boosts your daily income by about 50% forever. All right, Section 3. Now we're getting into the bigger picture, the manager rank rewards. Think of this as climbing the ladder. Every time you hit a new rank, you get a nice one-time cash bonus for your leadership. Okay, this table lays out the entire path beautifully. To hit level 1, you just need 5 direct recruits, and you get $100. But look what happens after that. For level 2, you have to help 2 of your people become level 1. For level 3, help 3 of them. See the pattern? It's all about helping your team succeed. As you do that and your total team grows, those one-time bonuses get really, really big, all the way up to 25 grand for hitting level 7. And as great as those one-time bonuses are, this next part, Section 4, is what creates real financial freedom. We're talking about a recurring monthly salary. And listen, this is really important. The numbers you're about to see are based on your team's activity. A more active team with more trade volume means a higher salary for you within that tier. This is paid on top of everything else we've talked about. It all starts at level 1 manager. You get a $90 a month salary. It's your first piece of consistent, recurring income, and they pay it out 3 times a month. Now, just by helping 2 of your team members hit that level 1 spot, look what happens. Your salary jumps 5-fold, all the way to $450 a month. Level 3 is a really significant milestone. Your salary hits $1,500 a month. I mean, for a lot of people, that's a game-changing amount of recurring income every single month. Jump ahead to level 5. Your team is now over 1,000 members strong, and your monthly salary climbs to $7,200. We're talking executive-level income here. And at level 6, your leadership is now generating a $15,000 monthly salary. That's a six-figure annual salary, completely separate from your bonuses and your own trade earnings. Again, driven by your team's success. And here it is, the top of the ladder for salary, level 7. A $30,000 monthly salary. This is the absolute pinnacle, and it just shows you the incredible potential built into this system. Oh, and one more thing. As if the $25,000 bonus and the $30,000 a month salary weren't enough, when you hit level 7, you also get a brand new car. And we're not talking about just any car. It's valued up to $300,000. So the big question is, how do you actually start? How do you get on this path? Let's wrap up with a clear, actionable plan and look at one more leadership role you can aim for. Here it is, your level 1 manager checklist. This is your first, most important goal. Focus on this. Personally recruit 5 members. That's it. When you do that, you unlock the $100 bonus, you activate your $90 a month salary, you even get a $100 birthday bonus from the company, and you qualify for other perks like organizer bonuses. It all starts with those first 5. And for those of you who really excel at leadership and teaching, there's another path that opens up once you hit level 2. You can get trained to become a senior investment advisor. This is an elite opportunity, a separate paid role where you can earn an additional salary, anywhere from $500 to $20,000 a month just for leading and speaking. At the end of the day, it's really important to remember this. The plan is a roadmap, but you're the one driving. Your success really depends on your own drive, your focus, and your determination. The results are a direct reflection of the effort you and your team put in. So there you have it. The entire plan is laid out right in front of you. It's a ladder built on your own daily efforts and, even more so, on your ability to build and lead a successful team. The path is clear. The only question left is, are you ready to take that first step?
Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe.